You guys, I think I'm going to Turkey to go get a hair transplant. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know, I'm just making this video really quick for you guys because I have been contacted by several different places to entice me, basically, to come to Turkey to go get hair replacement. What? What? Like, could that be? And this is completely free to me. I guess because I have a YouTube channel and I have been doing research on these places and they seem really, really good. But what do you guys think? Could this like finally be it? Like I will have my hair back? Huh. The reviews are crazy on these places and Turkey seems to be the place to go for them because they are so much cheaper and there's such a there's like good, amazing methods now that you only have to be there for 3 days. So you guys, I want you to flood my comments right now with what you think. Do you think I should finally do this and show you guys how it is and show you prices and just the interview with the doctors? What do you guys think? I'm just like really, I think I'm considering this. I don't know. I think I'm considering this. That would be crazy. Okay, so you guys, let me know if you had this hair replacement done, if you know somebody who has it done, whether it's here or in another country, and what was the outcome. I'm excited to hear your comments, your thoughts, your opinions, advice, etc., etc. Yeah, don't forget to like this video and let me know down below. I love you all. I'm excited. I'm excited to hear what you guys got to say. See you in my next video. Bye.